Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a new phone. First, ensure your new device has at least 50% battery life to avoid interruptions. Next, carefully insert your SIM card into its tray using the small tool provided in the box. Power on your phone and follow the on-screen prompts to choose your language and region. Finally, connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for downloading updates and transferring data efficiently. Now, let's get your information onto your new phone. You'll be prompted to transfer data from an old device or start fresh. If transferring, follow the instructions for your specific phone model, often using a cable or cloud backup. Then, sign in with your Google or Apple ID to link your accounts and restore your apps and settings. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your accounts. With your data transferred, it's time to make your phone truly yours and keep it safe. First, set up a strong screen lock like a fingerprint, Face ID, or a complex PIN. Then, personalize your home screen with your favorite wallpaper and arrange your apps and widgets. Take a moment to adjust notification settings to your preference. Finally, review your privacy settings and carefully manage app permissions to protect your personal information. To complete your setup, download the essential apps you use daily from your phone's app store. Consider organizing them into folders to keep your home screen tidy and easy to navigate. Remember to regularly update your phone's operating system and applications to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Finally, periodically clear your phone's cache and delete old files to maintain optimal performance and storage space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.